It is reported from Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, the Prophet's wife. She said, Utbah bin Abi Waqas made a will for his brother Sa'ad bin Abi Waqas that the son of Zama's slave girl was his. You should take him in your custody. When Makkah Mukarramah was conquered, Hazrat Sa'ad took the boy in his custody and said, It is my nephew, and a pledge has been taken from me regarding him. Hearing it, Abd bin Zamah got up and said, It is my brother, because it is the son of my father's slave girl who was born on my father's bedding. Both took this case to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Sa'ad stated, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it is my nephew, and he took a pledge from me regarding him. Abd bin Zamah said, It is the son of my father's slave girl. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Abd bin Zamah, it is yours, for a son goes to the owner of the bedding, and for an adulterator there is a stone. Thereafter he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to Sauda, O Abd bin Zamah, it is yours, for a son goes to the owner of the bedding, and for an adulterator there is a stone. Thereafter he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to Sauda, the daughter of Zamah radiyallahu anhu, the mother of the believers, to observe veil before this boy, because he sallallahu alaihi wasallam observed the resemblance of this boy to Utbah. So that boy did not see her, the mother of the believers, till he breathed his last. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2745.